Good UX design is the difference between a website engaging or infuriating users. But how do you pinpoint the exact places where your UX needs improvement? In this video, we'll run through 3 ways heat maps can help mark the UX spots that need some TLC. Along the way, we refer to several different types of heat maps. Want to find out more about those? Click our video about heat map types if you haven't already. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content about heat maps and other tools that will take your CX from standard to standout. 1. See where they're clicking and what they're missing. Click heat maps show you where on a page most users are clicking their mouse or tapping. This is useful in 3 ways. Firstly, you can see where users aren't clicking where they should be. For example, a click map might show you that an important CTA isn't getting any clicks and might need reframing, rewording, or repositioning. Click heat maps also show you where users are clicking and where they shouldn't be. When multiple users click unclickable elements such as headlines and images, it will show up in a click heat map. This suggests something amiss. Maybe you need to add a link or modify an element to make it more obviously unclickable. Last but not least, click heat maps show you where users are clicking, but something isn't working. And rage click maps show you where users are repeatedly clicking over a short period of time. This could indicate a bug, like a broken or missing link. That's frustrating users. 2. See where they scroll and what they aren't seeing. Saving the best content for last on your webpage? Maybe rethink that. Not every user will scroll to the bottom of every web page, so they might be missing important things. With a scroll heat map, you can see how far most users are scrolling. Red means they're all seeing something. Orange, less so. And blue means most aren't, and what they're missing. You can also see where they're losing attention and dropping off, which may indicate you need to adjust your copy or design elements to make them more engaging. 3. Make your UX work for every device. You could be watching this video on any number of devices and browsers, and the experience will be slightly different on every one. Although responsive design helps deliver content to all users, it's not flawless. And a few lines on desktop can require a lot of scrolling on mobile. By comparing mobile desktop heat maps, you can spot differences in behavior and see if mobile users are missing important elements. If this video has done its job, you'll be wondering, how easy is it to set up a heat map in your website or app? Check out our video to see. And to watch this space for more videos and improving your user experience with heat maps and other tools, like and subscribe.